Aogashima, a volcanic island located in the southern region of Japan, has attracted world attention with its extraordinary uniqueness and isolation. The island is located north of the Bonin Archipelago, about 358 kilometers south of Tokyo, and although politically part of Japan, geographically, it is not included in the Japanese Archipelago. This island was formed by an active volcano, forming a large caldera that is now inhabited by humans. Although in the 17th century this island was abandoned after a large eruption, history records that humans have settled here again since the 17th century. Currently, around 170 residents live on the island, living their daily lives with the main livelihoods being agriculture, fishing, and tourism. Aogashima residents live simply, with limited facilities such as one elementary school, one middle school, and one high school. Letters are sent to a single postal address, and a postman who knows the resident well delivers the letter to the recipient's home. Although there are clinics on the island, there are no major hospitals. Several shops, a post office, and 2 bars provide places to socialize and enjoy local delicacies. Access to the island is difficult, with 2 transportation options: boat from Hachijojima port or helicopter. High costs and limited facilities are the main factors why the population in Aogashima is not high. Apart from that, the presence of active volcanoes as a potential threat is also a consideration. Although isolated and difficult to access, Aogashima offers stunning natural beauty. The once active volcanic crater is now hidden amidst lush greenery. The quiet life on this island is a far cry from the hustle and bustle of larger city life. The history of Aogashima, which records the absence of residents for hundreds of years after the eruption in the 17th century, adds mystery to this island. However, now, this island is inhabited by residents who live normal lives. Agriculture, fishing, and tourism are the main economic pillars, while limited facilities reflect the simple lives the residents live. Difficulties in access and migration of people out of the island are challenges in themselves. Boats and helicopters are the only means of transportation and are quite expensive. These conditions, coupled with the fact that there are not many jobs or services available on the island, may be a factor in why Aogashima population is not high. Although Aogashima has stunning natural charm, as an active volcano, there is a potential risk of eruption. Luckily, advanced Japanese technology allows early detection of potential eruptions, providing safety for island residents. For all its uniqueness, Aogashima remains an attractive destination for tourists looking for experiences outside the busy city life. This island offers unspoiled natural beauty, simple life, and fascinating history. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that we can get to know the world with just the touch of a finger. Have fun carrying out your activities and always be healthy. Bye.